position and height, and turn off power. Align the assist sticker on the stainless steel plate with the arrows, ensuring the correct hole placement. Step 1. Unpack the chains. Please note that to prevent the chains from getting tangled, it's essential not to open all the plastic bags at once. It is recommended to start with the innermost plastic bag. Step 2. Hang the crystal balls. Starting from the innermost chain, hang the crystal balls one by one. Step 3. Gradually work outward. Congratulations on completing the installation.